मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है।
Hello viewers, welcome to another demo video by Project Maker. This time I have created an amazing musical snake game using Python. So without wasting any time, let's start with our project. I have created a standalone application, or you can say it as software, same as Alexa's demo video software. So if you are new to this channel, please go and watch that video first. I have provided the link in description. Now let's move to our project. As you can see on the screen, there are multiple folders, so let's move folder by folder. This is the first folder is images folder. I will open it now. This folder contains images and some sounds that are going to play during the game. So I will close this folder now. And the second folder is lib folder. This contains all the libraries and packages of Python that will help the game to show its real action. And the third folder is playlist folder. This folder contains songs which will be played during the game time. You can copy paste your own songs in this folder according to your own wish to enjoy this game to its fullest. Now I will close this folder, and this is text file, or we can also call it as backend of our project. It just contains high score of our project or game. And before starting an application, I would like to inform you that I have added a lot of background music in this game, so my voice would not be audible to you after I double click on this software. So to avoid this, I will make my system sound to 0 and then explain the game features, and after that restart the game by increasing system volume. So I will make my system volume to 0. So now let's enjoy the game. I will double click on the software. This black screen is backend of our game, so I will just minimize it now. And this is main screen of our game. As you can see, it is very attractive and catchy. I have added 3 buttons named as control, start and quit. So I will click on control section. So the controls say that arrow keys to move the snake, the N button which plays the song. So if you want to change the song, you can just press on N button. And if you have paused the game, by pressing enter button, the game will resume. Space button is used to pause and unpause the game. Escape button will exit the game. C button to continue the game. R button has the rules of game. And finally the tip of the game. You can add your favorite songs in playlist folder to enjoy the game, as I told earlier. But if playlist folder is empty, it will play the system generated songs. So let's start the game. This is our game. Now before starting the game, our current score is 0 and high score is 1820. This score has come from our text file 1820, which is backend of our game. So now I will just move my arrow keys up and down to move our snake. So as you can see, the snake has started moving. Now if I want to pause the game due to some reason, I will just click on space button and the game is paused. So this is pause screen of our game, and it has 2 buttons, continue and quit. So if I want to continue the game, I will just press continue, and if I want to quit the game from here, I will just click on quit button. So I will once again click on continue button to continue the game, and the snake resumes its activity again. So in this way I can eat the food of snake, and the score is increasing, as you can see on the left side of screen, and the food is also changing its location every time. So now if I die, what will happen? So let's kill the snake. So this is last screen of our game. it displays our score, the picture of snake, which shows us that the game is over. And I have also added two buttons here, replay and quit. If you want to replay the game, we can click on replay button, and if you want to quit the game, we can simply quit the game. So I will just quit the game now. So this was our game without noise. This time I will play the game by adding system noise to it. Let's make our system noise to 30 for perfect. So I have made my system noise to 30, and let's replay the game. I hope you are able to hear the music.
बरसात भी आकर चली गई, बादल भी गरज कर बरस गए, पर उसकी एक झलक को हम उसके मालिक तरस गए। कब प्यास बुझे इन आँखों की, दिन रात ये दुखड़ा रहता है। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। अफसोस है कि वो हमसे कुछ उखड़ा रहता है। देखा हजारों दफा आपको, फिर बेकरारी कैसी है। संभाले संभलता नहीं ये दिल, कुछ आप में बात ऐसी है। बरसात भी आकर चली गई, बादल भी गरज कर बरस गए।
So this was our game using audio sounds. I hope you loved this game, and this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching this video.